8 minus 8 divided by 10, then times 2. 8 minus 8 is just 0. So 0 divided by 10, then 2. 0 divided by 10 is 0. And 0 times 2 is 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this division, then the multiplication, and finally the subtraction. Because multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction, in PEMDAS, multiplication and division come before subtraction, and also multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to go from left to right. So first, we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction, okay? So 8 divided by 10, we can write 8 over 10. So 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. And 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. Okay, so we have 4 over 5. 4 over 5. And here we have 8 minus 4 over 5. Then times 2. Okay? Okay? Now, we have to do this multiplication, 4 over 5, then times 2. 4 times 2 gives us 8. So 8 over 5. 8 minus 8 over 5. Okay? So this is equal to, we can write 5. Then 8 times 5 gives us 40. So 40 minus 8 over 5. 40 minus 8 gives us 32. So 32 over 5. And now let's convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. 32, we can write 30 plus 2 over 5. 30 divided by 5 gives us 6. So 6 and 2 over 5. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 6 and 2 over 5. The correct answer will be 6 and 2 over 5.